there. I wanted to just take a moment before my day begins because I'm going to be teaching with Yamuna and helping assist her advanced face training in Yamuna Save Your Face, or face fitness. We call it a lot of things. Using these balls, it's amazing how with detail and learning how to use these balls, what amazing effects they can have in your face and your body as a whole. So this class dives really deep into connections between your eyes, your ears, your tongue. We're going to do some deeper training into the TMJ, your temporomandibular joint. So it takes the basic face work and gets really into problem solving for all kinds of serious issues that people experience in their face. Plus it's going to have that great benefit of making you look and feel really good. I've been assisting Yamuna for too many years that I like to admit, probably over 30. And every time I do one of these trainings, it's just more work that I can share with you in a brief synopsis and more in-depth work I can share with the practitioners in trainings. So I'll give you a little update every day over the next 4 days and try to give you just a little bit, okay, so that you can look forward to it. And if you don't get my email newsletter, there's going to be a sign-up form, right? If you go into my Instagram form, you can find it there. On YouTube, you can find it up in my links. And, if you can share this video, I would really appreciate it. Feel free to like it, share it, and I'll be back tomorrow. Thanks.